What's up, everyone? John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo here, and today we are taking a look at web browsing on the brand new HP TouchPad. Let's get started. So one of the most important things that I use the touchpad for, or any tablet in general, is web browsing. It's great for consuming media, and it's great for checking out your favorite websites, like, for example, technobuffalo.com, which you've got open right here. So you're probably familiar with the user interface. It's a deck of cards type UI. So you can scroll through different cards. I don't have anything else open here, but if I were to say open the App Store, or the app catalog, it opened it up in a new card. And you swipe through cards, you just pick the one you want and open it up, and you can have the stack of cards as well. You can see I've got two different websites open. So we'll go ahead and go into Techno Buffalo. You can see what it looks like when you scroll. Scrolling is very smooth. It takes advantage of the Qualcomm dual-core chip. Pinch to zoom is very smooth as well. Notice it's no delay, no lag. Do a little tap action there as well. There's an effect when you touch the screen, you get a little ripple. You sort of know right where your thumb is. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I find it very annoying, but it is there. And this is a full Flash capable browser, and you can see I've got some Flash content up and running. This thing here on the side is Flash, but that's not overly exciting, showing Flash content. You can see how things look though on a regular site. But what if you want to view Flash video? Let me go ahead and show you what that looks like, and let's jump into, let's say, YouTube. I'll go ahead and let this finish loading. I should also mention that there's a gesture area across the panels of each side, depending on how you have it orientated. So you can swipe up, and you can get access to those deck of card features we were talking about. Otherwise, there is a physical home button here on the bottom. Alright, so let's go ahead and go to YouTube. And this is not YouTube mobile. This is the real deal YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and do a refresh. Here is the YouTube channel, of course. So you can go ahead and see what a Flash video looks like. And then we'll try everyone's favorite Flash site, Hulu, and see if you can get your Hulu on while using your touchpad. Every time I say touchpad, I keep feeling like I want to touch it. And if you do decide that you want to touch your tablet, which I'm sure you will have fingerprints galore. The back of this guy is like a fingerprint magnet. And I say that a lot for a lot of devices, but this one really is that sort of piano black. You are going to have fingerprints all over this. Alright, so YouTube is loading. And this is no funny mobile version where it opens up in an app. This is native YouTube, just as you find on your desktop browser. So you can see it's doing a little spinny thing there, and it's getting ready to play. Now it's going to play, I think, a pre-roll ad on touchpad unboxing. Actually, it looks really, really good. This is probably the best implementation of Flash that I've seen. There really isn't much stuttering. You could very easily watch a video here with full screen Flash without any difficulty at all, and you give access to all the same controls here you'd have otherwise. Really just a nice implementation of Flash. I give HP credit. I'm sure they worked very closely with Adobe here to make sure everything worked well. And it does work very well. It doesn't appear to be a stutter. Even on full screen here, it works very nicely, and you get the same sort of scrubber bar that you get on regular YouTube. So go ahead and close that here. Go ahead and reorientate it. There we go. And swipe up. Alright, so we saw what that looks like, and if you want to get rid of something here in the deck of cards, you just swipe it off the screen. We're going to go ahead and swipe that off the screen. Open up a new web browser here, and let's try Hulu and see if you can get your Hulu on. I will say, too, the keyboard here is really nice. I love having a full row of numbers across the top. I didn't realize how handy that was going to be. So, Hulu.com, go ahead and hit enter. And let's see what we got. We got it queuing up. So it looks like it's going to play, but we've been fooled before looking at Hulu on other devices. I know some Android devices too. It looks like you're going to be ready to go. Then you try and hit play, and boom, you can't play. So we'll try a clip from Friday Night Lights. And let's see if we get a Hulu'd. You can do a Hulu dance, which I suppose is like a hula dance. My jokes are awful today. It's a holiday weekend, guys. Come on. I'm making this video because I love it. Looks like it's loading. Are we going to have some playing action? I need like some sort of dramatic drum roll here to see. Let's see. Be a death roll. Are we going to be playing? It's getting there. It's thinking about it. Boom! It is fully playing. Hulu is compatible with the HP TouchPad. So if you're looking for a big selling point as to why you might want to pick up a touchpad over another device, this is probably a really compelling reason. You can watch Hulu content right on the touchpad. As we'll see here in just a minute, it actually does look kind of nice. You can watch videos, you can watch movies, TV shows. I guess all that would probably qualify as videos here. So we got an ad that's getting ready to play. Resume in 30 seconds. So it's going. See what else we got going on here. Opened up a new card by accident. Go ahead and go back to the Hulu card, and it is off and running to the races. So go ahead and close out of this. Everything else is about as you'd expect on a browser. Things just work very nicely. I'm pretty impressed with touchpad browsing overall. Certainly, I don't think the screen is as sensitive as some Android tablets or the iPad that I've used. But this is a tablet I could definitely get used to using on a daily basis. So if you were looking to maybe get a touchpad and you weren't sure if you wanted one, hopefully this video will help. We'll have a ton more feature videos coming up soon. I am John Rettinger from Techno Buffalo, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.